guys, today I'm going to show you this slime that a boy got me. He's all like, hey, Aviana wants some slime? And I'll be like, yeah. And it wasn't even that squishy. It's store-bought though, but it's okay. It's nice. At least I have slime. But I fixed it. I just put like a little bit, like this much. Not even that much. Of soap and conditioner. And I made it soap and some shampoo and some, what's it called? Lotion. And I made it squishy. Watch, here's the poking. Loud. Now here's the bubble, the cracking. And here's the bubble. I made a nice bubble in the other video but I did, but I deleted it because I did it wrong. So now I'm just gonna scratch it, and now it's the poop. So it's really good. It's really scratchy. So it's gonna be in 3, 2, 1. It's here, guys. It's closed. Now it's gonna be gone in 3, 2, 1. And it's gone. I just threw it. So yeah, guys, please like, subscribe. Bye, guys.